Just a little update on the propane lawnmower. Everything stayed together, and you know, that's just poked in that hole. I wrapped a little tape on it because the hole was wobbly, because that's how I drilled it. I drilled it sloppy. Anyway, I came out here to fire it up for the second time. Been a week or so ago since I made that last video. And anyway, turned on the gas and fired it up like this. Now, I did clean this carburetor before I got disgusted and ran the propane tube into it, but apparently just getting run for a while on propane cleaned up the carburetor, so now I've got a dual fuel lawnmower. Pretty cool, huh?